How to log into Microsoft Teams. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can log into Microsoft Teams. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can log in into Microsoft Teams. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to log in into Microsoft Teams, first of all, you need to download the Microsoft Teams application if you are on a mobile device. After that, you just need to open the app or launch the app. After launching the app, in order to log in into the Microsoft Teams, you need to enter your Microsoft 365 username and password that is provided by your organization or any school, colleges, or different kind of organizations. After that, otherwise, if you don't have a Microsoft account, you can sign up one for free. You might need to provide additional verifications such as code from a mobile device, and depending upon your organization's requirement. After that, you may just go on with the process of signing in, and after you have signed in and created your account in your Microsoft Teams, in order to log in, you may just go on with the process of choosing the account that you have on your Teams. Just enter your Microsoft 365 username and password. But right now, I am using this account, the first account of my email, and after that, it will directly sign you into Microsoft Teams. You don't need to do anything after you have entered your code and everything. After entering the code that you received on your email, you will be directly logged in into your Microsoft Teams. So you may also follow the same process in order to log in. And after entering a code, it may take a while to load. After that, you'll be able to see this page. Just tap on Get Started, accept every terms and request, and you may set up your profile if you want. I'm just going to tap on Continue without setting up, and you may sync your contacts as well if you want. I'm just going to not sync it at the moment and continue. And there you go. You have successfully logged in.